Imagine if just adding 2 cloves to your daily routine could unlock a treasure trove of health benefits. Yes, you heard that right. In this video, we're diving into the incredible things that happen to your body when you incorporate 2 cloves into your daily diet. So, grab your favorite pen and paper because you won't want to miss jotting down these fantastic benefits. Boosting hair growth. Cloves are like a nutrient powerhouse containing minerals like manganese, iron, and zinc, which are essential for strong and healthy hair growth. Plus, they're loaded with vitamins C and E, promoting overall hair and scalp health. These little wonders even have antimicrobial properties that fight off pesky scalp infections, making your hair stronger and more resilient. Enhancing immune system. Packed with antioxidants, cloves are your body's best friend when it comes to fighting off illnesses. They're like a superhero for your immune system, especially with their high vitamin C content, which boosts your body's white blood cell production. Plus, their antimicrobial properties help keep harmful bacteria and viruses at bay, protecting you from the flu, colds, and more. Improving oral health. Cloves aren't just for cooking. They're also a secret weapon for your oral health. With their natural antiseptic properties, they help fight off oral infections and keep your gums and teeth healthy. And let's not forget their numbing effect, providing relief from toothaches and oral discomfort. Promoting digestive health. If you struggle with digestive issues like bloating or indigestion, cloves might be the answer you've been looking for. Their essential oils help calm your gut, reduce inflammation, and even support the growth of healthy gut bacteria. So, say goodbye to tummy troubles. Supporting eye health. Your eyes deserve some love too, and cloves have just what they need. Loaded with antioxidants and minerals like zinc, cloves help protect your eyes from oxidative stress and harmful UV rays. Plus, their anti-inflammatory properties can help soothe tired and irritated eyes. Regulating blood sugar levels. For those battling with blood sugar levels, cloves might offer some relief. Studies have shown that they can improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels, making them a valuable addition to your diet. Supporting respiratory health. Cloves aren't just good for your taste buds, they're also great for your respiratory system. Their expectorant properties help clear mucus and phlegm, making breathing easier, especially for those with conditions like asthma or bronchitis. Improving brain function. Keep your brain sharp with cloves. Their antioxidants and bioactive compounds work wonders for brain health, reducing inflammation and protecting against cognitive decline. Plus, they can even help improve memory and attention span. Detoxification support. Give your body a cleanse with cloves. Their natural compounds aid in detoxification by supporting liver function and promoting the elimination of toxins from your body. Improving sleep quality. And finally, let cloves help you get a good night's sleep. With their calming properties and ability to stimulate serotonin production, they can promote relaxation and improve sleep quality. Remember, while cloves offer numerous health benefits, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet. So, why not spice up your life and reap the rewards of adding cloves to your daily routine? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more health tips and tricks.